I created this and this in 3 minutes with free AI tools by just giving it the prompt. So I want to show you how I was able to do this. I want to show you the AI tools I use and I was able to come up with the prompt. Now make sure you watch this video to the end. After watching this video to the end, I'm 100% sure that you will believe me that some graphic designers will be replaced with AI tools like this. Now, if you're a graphic designer, you need to take your graphic design skill seriously by taking advantage of some AI tools like this. Now, tons of AI tools are being created every day. With these AI tools, you can bring your imagination to life by just giving it the prompt. So I want to show you the AI tools I use, how to come up with the prompt, and lastly, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with AI tools like this. So if this is what you actually want to do, what you want to learn, make sure you watch this video to the end and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. You can also tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Wasting much time, let's dive into the video.
We'll be making use of three AI tools. So the first one is ChatGPT. So we're making use of ChatGPT to generate the prompt. So I'll just go on it and I'll click on my ChatGPT. Yeah. So if you don't have accounts with ChatGPT, I will leave a link in the description where you can use to sign up on ChatGPT. So if you are new to ChatGPT is an AI website you can use to create anything. So they have paid version, they have paid version, they also have free version. So as you can see, I'm using the free version as you can see here. So after you sign up on ChatGPT and you have gotten to this point here, so you now have this interface. So this is what you do. Come over to here, then you click here. Now this is what you do. Then you come over to where you see explore GPTs, then you click on it. Now when it's open like this, scroll down, then click on where you see image generator. Now this is the image generator, but we are not going to use this image generator. Then you come over to where you see start chat, then you click on it. Now it has opened to this interface here. So this is an image generator in the ChatGPT website. So you can also use this image generator to generate any images, but we are not going to use this image generator. So we are going to ask this image generator to generate a prompt for us where we can use to generate the logo in another AI tool. So all I want to do here, I'm just click on here to paste my prompt. So I'm also going to show you the prompt I use, and you can copy it and you can also tweak it in your own way. Please don't forget to like this video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and make sure you comment. Just leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this AI tools. So I'm just going to go straight to the point. So I'll paste my question to this AI tools. So I'm just going to paste my question since I've already write it down. So I'm going to paste this here. So let me show you what I asked this AI tools to do. So this is my question to this AI tools here. So create a prompt for me that I can use to generate a logo from an AI image generator website. The name of my brand is Bristol Digital Hub. The brand motto is Go Digital. Use element that represent honesty. Make it be visual appealing. So I'm just going to come over to this place here. So I'll just click on here. So let's wait for what is going to come. So as you can see, it has generated the prompt for us. So you can see here it has created the prompt for us. So I'm just going to copy this prompt that it generates. So I'm just going to copy this prompt that this AI tools generate. Then we go head over to another AI tools where we actually create this logo. So I'll come over to here, then I'll click on copy. Now I'm going to open a new tab on my phone so I can show you the AI tools. So I'll click on here. Now I'll come over, I'll scroll down. So this is another AI tool that we'll be using to create this logo. So the name of this AI tools is called ideogram AI. So I'll also be leaving the video in this description of this video. So if you don't have account with ideogram, you can watch the video on how you can set up an account on ideogram. So after you set your account on ideogram and you have this interface, now you come down here, come over to here, then you click on the plus sign here. So you paste the prompt we copy from the first website, from the chat GPT. Yes, so I'm just going to copy this. So I'm going to delete part some of this here. So so I'm going to I'm going to delete some things here that I don't want. So let me first of all read what it is. Here's a detailed prompt you can use to generate a logo for your brand. Recent digital up. So I'm going to clean this. So I'll delete some details. So I'm just going to, all right. So I'm just going to come down. So I'll also delete this. Now I'll come over to here. I'll click on generate. So I'll click on generate. So this is super good. So you can see what it brings to us. So I like all these that I'm seeing here. You can see all these. So you can see this. Now this is how you can download. If it generates something that you like, download any of them. So you can see this. So I like this that I'm seeing. I like all of this. I think I like this. So what am I going to do here? I'm going to download this. So please make sure you like this video and make sure you comment and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this. So I'll be doing more content, more tutorial on how you can also create more stuff with this AI tools. So I'll come over to here, then I'll click on this now. So I'll come over to here, I'll click on download. So let's wait and see. So you can see we can only download this logo here that we generated in the JPEG format. So I think the quality is 70. Since we are not using the paid version of this AI website, so I'm just going to download this. So I'll click on JPEG. So it's going to download. Wow, so you can see that the logo has been downloaded into my phone. So you can see this now. So you can also use the format here I used to create an ebook cover. But if you want me to do a tutorial video on how you can create ebook cover, please leave it in the comment section. So I believe you have learned something new in this video. Please don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. So I will be showing you how you can make money with AI tools like this. So
If you actually watch this video from the beginning to the end, I want to say thanks for staying with me. Now I have something valuable for you. Now this is how I make money by generating AI images for people. So I'll be leaving the video link here or in the description of this video. Make sure you watch that video for more value like this.